Hello everyone. So this is today the day is 5th of January 2026 and I'm here to explain how was my day. ठीक है. So from the last 2 days I'm having red mark on my day, but I think today the 5th of January is somewhere okay to me. There is no harm. So it was very normal day and I didn't find anything which was affecting my day or my mental health or in any way. Like it was not like it was affecting me. Somewhere I was having pain in my this jaw because of the surgery. I think that's why. Otherwise everything was fine. So it was a green day for me on 5th of January 2026. See, I want to share one thing with you people because I think that I need to share this. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how I'm doing, whether it is good or not, whether it is something low, you know, like I'm having my own doubts that whatever I'm doing, is it okay or not? I should explain it, like how my day was or not, or whether I should upload it on the internet where everyone can see, or I'm not that much good in explanation or in the communication skills or in the speaking skills also. And maybe I'm not marking my days to the right uh, according to the right ratings. Like I'm marking it a red color, but it is red, really red. Like I am having my own thoughts on this. I don't know, but I think there are 365 days of the year, and maybe this is the very starting, this is the very fifth day. Like I'm in the very starting phase, so maybe I'm having these thoughts that whatever I'm doing is right or wrong, or it is good or not, or I should upload it on internet or not. Matlab, there are a lot of things, a lot of questions in my mind, but the thing is that I will upload it, whether it is very weird, whether it is very bad, whether it is not good, or maybe I should not do this, but still I will be doing because I think I want to do it. Or maybe because I need to make this consistency to upload videos daily, so that I can have this kind of habit of uploading a video daily, whether it is of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, it doesn't matter. And this will improve my speaking skills also, and the fear of not expressing much nowadays. Earlier I was a person who used to express everything and who used to make sure that the other person is understanding whatever I'm saying or not. And sometimes it was like that, it doesn't matter, I just want to express it whether you are getting or not. But now I'm not that much expressive. I have my own things in my own mind which is affecting me internally also and externally also. That's why, see, you can see, I know I'm going to upload this video, but I'm having this jacket, and I think which is 10 years old, I think, maybe more than that. It doesn't, like, for me, I'm not having a concern about my dressing sense, or how I'm doing, if this calendar is very perfect or not, or if I'm looking good or not, if I'm, whatever I'm saying, whatever I'm speaking, it is good or not. Maybe I'm having some issues with, it's not, everything is not perfect here. Only these two sketch pens are perfect with the perfect color, but still I think the green color is somewhere a dull, सूख जाता है ना sketch, that is, I think, there. So nothing is perfect here. It's just me and my videos, my documentary, or you can say what my day, whether it is green or red, or I'm just talking, I'm just expressing, and that's enough for me. Maybe after 1 year, when I will be, I don't know if I will cross this year or not, but if I reach the 5th January 2027, then I will see that okay, on 2027, no, sorry, on 2026 or 5th of January, I was there, and today I'm here. I just want to see that change in me in the 1 year. This is all I'm hoping in this year: the power, the strength, the confidence, the perfection, and everything. Like everything, I don't want to be very a kind of a rocket person. I just want to be in between. I can be a bus also, not a train, but I just want to move from places. That's why my channel name is Samsara Wanderer. Samsara is a cycle, where you continuously moving from one thing to another, one thing to another. And wanderer is the person who is wondering what is there, like who is roaming here and there. So I'm that kind of, I just want to explore everything, whether it is me, whether it is a place where I live, whether it is my feelings, whether it is a city, a country, food, dresses, cuisine, culture, languages, and a lot of things. So also one thing also, I think I will be going on a walk for half an hour maybe. I don't know, I'm just thinking that I should start walking 30 minutes in a day. So let's see if I will go. I will be uploading my video and sharing my experience, how I felt and why I was not moving from my bed to anywhere. So let's see. Okay, so let me color my day in as in green, because I find it's a green day. Okay, so that's it for today. Tata, bye bye, take care, have a good day, have a nice day, have fun.